Understanding fate's embrace, unlocking the mysteries of language. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, fate's embrace. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a portal to a deeper understanding of language and its impact on our perception of life. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of meaning behind fate's embrace. Fate's embrace is a poetic and somewhat philosophical phrase. At its core, fate refers to a power that is believed to control what happens in the future, often seen as unavoidable or destined. The word, embrace, suggests acceptance, a hug, or an act of holding someone closely in one's arms. When combined, fate's embrace implies accepting or being closely held by one's destiny. It's often used to describe a situation where one accepts an inevitable outcome, whether good or bad, with a sense of peace or resignation. In literature, fate's embrace is used to add a dramatic flair to the narrative. Writers often use this phrase when characters face situations beyond their control, signifying a pivotal moment of surrender or acceptance. It's not just about being resigned to fate, but also about finding peace or a sense of purpose within that acceptance. This phrase also touches on deeper philosophical and cultural discussions about fate and free will. Different cultures and philosophies have varied views on fate. For instance, in Greek mythology, fate is often depicted as an all-powerful force, while in modern contexts, it might be seen more as a metaphor for life's unpredictable nature. Using fate's embrace in everyday conversation can add a layer of depth and introspection. It's perfect for moments when discussing life's unpredictability or when consoling someone facing unavoidable circumstances. However, it's important to use it sensitively and appropriately, as the context is often quite serious or philosophical. Fate's embrace is more than just a phrase. It's a window into how language can capture the profound and often complex relationship we have with life and destiny. Whether in literature, conversation, or personal reflection, it invites us to ponder the larger forces at play in our lives. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this exploration has enriched your understanding and appreciation of this beautiful expression. Remember, language is not just about communication, it's about connection. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.